So let's talk about how the if statement work. If statement basically used to return a true or false, and basically to test a logic with a true or false. And if true, we will move inside that particular statement and execute the logic. Otherwise, we will move out of that. If it is false, we just skip it. So to understand this, let's take an example of finding an even or odd number. So let's see x here. You can see, let's say its value of 5, and I want to find whether it is an even and odd. Very simple example. Here you can see if, and if x module equal to 0. So this is the basically syntax. If, and then the condition, same like C and C++. And here, okay, all right. If here you can see x module 2, right, like this. If it is equal to 0, and then now here you need to put the indentation. So you need to press tab. That means this now define we are inside the if, unlike other programming language. So it will print, let's say your x is an even number, like this. So this is just an if. So suppose if it is false, if this is not true, that is x module 2 is not true, is equal to 0 is not true. So what you can do, you can use else, like this. Once again, it's an indentation. Print here, let's say x is an odd number, like this. So when I press enter, say 5 is an odd number. So this is an if and else with a very, very simple example. You can also use the if else, if ladder. Suppose if you want to check for multiple conditions, whether those conditions are true or false, you can go with if. So in the next example, I will show you the same.